Welcome back, Trending Farm. In the U.S., modern chicken farms increasingly rely on automatic feeding systems to improve efficiency and reduce labor costs. These systems, often integrated into modern battery cages, ensure precise feed distribution and minimize waste. Farms using automated systems have reported up to 40% savings in labor costs and a 20% increase in egg production. Investment costs vary by scale. Basic systems for 1,000 birds range from $10,000 to $20,000, while advanced setups for 5,000 plus birds can cost $25,000 to $50,000. Large-scale farms near processing factories often adopt fully automated solutions to streamline operations and enhance productivity. American farmers are making significant investments in modern incubation systems to enhance hatch rates and improve poultry production efficiency. Studies from Penn State University show that even a 1% drop in hatchability can lead to thousands of dollars in losses per farm. Advanced incubators maintain precise temperature, humidity, and ventilation control, reducing chick mortality and improving meat yield. Large hatcheries processing over 1 million eggs monthly integrate these systems with processing factories, ensuring seamless production. In regions like Georgia and Arkansas, leading poultry states, investments in automated incubation exceed $500 million annually, boosting both efficiency and profitability. In the United States, chicken harvesters have revolutionized poultry processing, ensuring efficiency, sanitation, and high-speed operations. Modern automated harvesting systems can process more than 1,000 birds per hour, significantly reducing labor costs while improving meat quality. These machines handle stunning, plucking, and portioning with precision, minimizing waste and contamination. Five top poultry-producing states like Georgia, Arkansas, and Alabama have invested heavily in smart processing factories equipped with robotic arms and AI-powered inspection systems, ensuring compliance with USDA safety regulations. Companies invest millions of dollars each year in upgrades, with some high-tech plants processing more than 1 million chickens per day, optimizing both speed and food safety. In the U.S. beef industry, robots and AI are transforming processing factories by enhancing efficiency, precision, and food safety. Automated cutting and deboning systems use AI-powered sensors to analyze meat structure, ensuring precise cuts that reduce waste. Some advanced plants process up to 400 cattle per hour, improving productivity while minimizing human labor. AI-driven quality control inspects meat for defects, ensuring USDA compliance. Leading beef processing states like Texas, Nebraska, and Kansas invest hundreds of millions in robotic automation annually. These innovations not only increase output but also improve worker safety by handling repetitive and hazardous tasks. American farmers are increasingly investing in IoT-based cow health monitoring systems to improve beef quality and production efficiency. These systems use smart sensors to track vital signs such as heart rate, body temperature, and activity levels, helping detect diseases early. In large-scale farms across Texas and Nebraska, cloud-based analytics optimize feeding and medical care. Experts highlight that AI-driven monitoring can boost meat quality and reduce losses, ensuring only the healthiest cattle reach the processing factory. With real-time data access, farmers can make precise decisions, ultimately enhancing productivity and sustainability in the U.S. beef industry. The automatic milking system, AMS, is transforming U.S. dairy farms by integrating robotic milking with IoT-based health monitoring. These systems use sensors to track cow activity, body temperature, and milk yield, enabling early disease detection and optimizing herd management. In major dairy states like Wisconsin and California, farms investing in AMS report a 15 to 20% increase in milk production while reducing labor costs. Health monitoring ensures cows receive optimal nutrition and care, leading to higher milk quality. Once collected, the milk is transported to a processing factory, where it undergoes strict quality control and packaging before nationwide distribution. In this farming documentary, the transport process begins with loading pigs onto trucks, where they are typically guided using low-stress techniques such as crowd gates and proper ramps. The trucks used must be well ventilated, with temperature controls to prevent overheating. And they must be designed to prevent pigs from falling or injuring themselves during transit. Transporters are required to follow strict guidelines set by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, and industry experts to ensure animal welfare. These include limiting transport time to a maximum of 28 hours without rest stops, ensuring pigs are not overcrowded, and providing adequate space for them to stand and lie down. Upon arrival at the processing facility, unloading must be done calmly. With the use of non-abusive handling practices to prevent injury and further stress. Proper unloading procedures ensure that pigs arrive at the facility in good health, ready for the next stages of the process. In the United States, piglets are most commonly raised in the Midwest, with Iowa leading the way in terms of production. The images in this farming documentary will show you how newborn piglets weigh between 2.5 and 3 pounds. They grow rapidly in the first few weeks of their lives, typically reaching around 6 to 8 pounds when weaned at around 3 to 4 weeks of age. During this period, their appearance is characterized by a pinkish skin tone and soft fur. And they begin to grow stronger as they rely on their mother's milk, transitioning to solid food as they approach weaning. Many experts have emphasized in farming documentaries that newborn piglets face a challenging start as they are born with very little body fat and no immunity. Immediate care for them is crucial to their survival and growth. An important factor in their health is warmth, as piglets can be susceptible to chills and may not survive without a proper heat source, such as a heat lamp. During the growing and finishing stages, pigs in the U.S., particularly in top-producing states like Iowa and North Carolina, are raised with a focus on optimal conditions for meat quality. After weaning, pigs are fed nutrient-rich diets and provided with ample space, clean water, and veterinary care to maintain health. The finishing phase, lasting from 6 to 9 months, sees pigs reaching market weight of 250 to 300 pounds. In this farming documentary, maintaining proper temperature control, minimizing stress, and ensuring hygiene are key factors in preparing pigs for harvest, ensuring that they are in ideal condition for meat production. In a pig processing plant, operations begin with ensuring the pig's safety and meat quality. Large facilities, such as those managed by Smithfield Foods, can process up to 32,000 pigs daily. These plants are built to adhere to rigorous safety standards outlined by the U.S. Department of Agriculture USDA, which enforces strict hygiene protocols and precise temperature controls to prevent contamination. With advanced automation, many tasks like cutting, deboning, and packaging are handled efficiently, ensuring consistent quality. Plant owners have made substantial investments, totaling hundreds of millions of dollars, to modernize operations, enhance productivity, and improve meat quality. Additionally, all facilities comply with the Humane Slaughter Act to ensure humane treatment throughout the process. And this process, which is explored in detail in this farming documentary, ensures that pork products, from fresh cuts to processed items like bacon and sausages, are properly prepared and stored in cold storage before reaching consumers. Global demand for pork continues to rise, fueled by increasing income levels and the popularity of pork as a protein source. In 2021, China was the largest consumer of pork, accounting for more than half of global pork consumption, with an average of 83.11 pounds per person. The U.S. and the European Union also contribute significantly to this demand, with both regions maintaining high consumption levels. Famous restaurants such as Din Tai Fung, Fogo de Chao, and Momofuku serve pork in various forms, from bacon to dumplings, and have earned excellent consumer reviews for their quality dishes. This growing market is also reflected in the rise of ready-to-eat products and processed items like sausages and ham, which cater to evolving consumer preferences. As explored in this farming documentary, pork remains an essential protein in cuisines across the world, with notable shifts toward organic and sustainably sourced options.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.